to the level I said, right above these jets right here, which is the most you want to put in it. And now I'm just going to take this out. And in a moment I'm going to put the filter back in, but first of all I want to get it back going again. This could be a little bit finicky because there's a lot of air in all of the piping right now because it was emptied all the way out, which means almost all the water goes out. And there's different sensors that will try to shut this thing down if there's no water in it. So it's sometimes a little finicky, but we'll try. So I'm going to go over here, I'm going to flip these two breakers on. It's a little bit awkward, but that's just the way it is. Now, there's going to be power on here. And the very first thing I'm going to do is get some water. Jet number 1. Jet number 2. Okay, and we have success. So you want to put the jets on right away because the jets are going to flush any air out of the system. But if you don't get the air out quick enough, these sensors are going to say, oh, no water, I'm going to shut down. And so you just have to repeat the procedure. If it shuts down, you'll see a row of dots on here right across this thing. You see where it says 75 degrees. Instead of 75, it's going to show a row of dots, which means I don't like something. It means I don't like something. That's what you translate those dots to. In this case, when you just filled it, the I don't like something is there's air in the line somewhere, and turning the jets on is going to kick that air out of there, get the water in there so that the sensors are going to be happy. The other thing it doesn't like is a dirty filter. So if it senses that the filter is too dirty, it's too clogged up, it's going to say, I don't like this, and it's going to shut it down, and you're going to see that same row of dots here. In that case, it's not that there's no water in the pipes, as we may have had this time, it's that the filter's too dirty. So if you see a row of dots, and it's not at a time where you just filled it up, it means the filter's too dirty. You've got to take that filter out, clean it really well, and shut the breakers all the way off, because the breakers are still on. It's just that this thing's shut off. So the breaker's going to go back all the way off and then back on again with the filter cleaned, and you should be good to go.